ICD-10 PCS JJ-PCA Guidelines, page 23 or 023, part 8.
A9. Within a PCS table, valid codes including all combinations of choices in characters 4th and 7th contained in the same rows of the table.
Right. You have to, there are rows in the table, and those rows in the table have to be valid characters for the 4th and the 7th for it to be a valid code, right? So we're going to give you an example. In the example below, 0JT and 0JHT and 0JHW, those are the first 4 characters in the code. 3VZ is a valid one for the first code, and 3VZ is not a valid one for the second code, and we're going to explain to you why. Let's go to the next page, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, let's see. This is 0JH, right?
Yes.
And 0JH. For both of these codes are the same. So 0JH. We're fine here, right? Now the character 4th is T, right? So this section, you see a line dividing here? This section is for T, right? And here the 4 character is W. W is here. So the upper section is for the other code, right? So let's keep going. The next one is 3. There's a 3 here for the upper section, and there's a 3 for the lower section. So that's okay. The next one is V. V as in Victor, V as in victory, right? So here there should be a V. There's no V here. There's no V. There's just 1 3. So there's no V. But there's a V here. So this one is a valid one because of the V, and this one is not a valid one because V is not there. So V is valid for the T, but not for the W. That's what they mean. The 4th and in this case the 6th, right? This is the 6th, right? The 4th and the 6th, they have to be in the same row, and the rows are divided by this line here. Okay, so that's why you can tell whether it's a valid code or it's not a valid code. Okay, thank you. That's our theory for today, and now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. All right, PCS JJ-PCA, page 611, exercise 12. It's a level 1 exercise, and it reads like this.
Total excision of pituitary gland, open.
Total excision of pituitary gland, open. Okay, so we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the PCS code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 0GT00ZZ. Okay, you got that? 0GT00ZZ. Okay, if you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. Or just one tip. What's the tip?
Start with resection.
Resection,
which is a synonym for total excision.
Total excision, right? These 2 words make the resection, because excision is when you cut a part of the organ. But when it's total excision, then it means you cut in the whole organ, which is the same as resection. That's why you have to start with resection, right? Checking in the index, right? So total excision is resection, all right? So after this tip, you will be able to find the path for the answer, right? The answer is already 0GT00ZZ, but now you have to give us the path. So we're going to pause the video, count to 3 so you can pause the video, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, the whole summary of the problem is like this. It's a total excision of pituitary gland, and it's an open, right? Now there's one code, and the one code through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Index.
Then you go to resection.
Resection or total excision, which is the same thing.
Yes. Then you go to gland.
Gland.
Then you go to pituitary.
Pituitary, and you find what?
0GT0.
you find those 4 characters. It's 0, GT, 0, right? We're going to check this in the tabular. So the code 1 for the tabular is found like this.
You go first, you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to 0 GT, that is first.
The first 3 characters. 0, GT, what is that?
0 is medical and surgical.
Right. G is?
Endocrine system.
And T, which is the root operation, is?
Resection.
Resection. Okay. Let's continue with the characters. Now we have a 0, right?
Yes.
What's a 0?
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland. That's the organ, right?
Right.
And then we have the approach, right? The
Yes.
next is the approach. Okay. Well, what is the approach in this case? Is another 0, right?
Yes.
0 is for?
Open.
Open. And then are we going to leave in something in the body? Are we going to leave in a device in the body? No, right? So we give it
a
Z for no device, and we don't need an extra code, so we give it another Z for no qualifier, and there's an equal sign at the end, which means that we double check this code. So the answer is 0 GT 00 ZZ. Okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website.
And you can also subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, just click here in this red rectangle and you'll get subscribed to our list, right?
Right.
And
we make about 3 videos every day.
Right.
ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Right. Okay, so don't forget, just visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you tomorrow.